I had such a strong reaction. I'm like replaying it in my head. Did I do something wrong? It's a big old like fuck you, huh? I signaled that I wanted to get in the right lane with my turn signal, and then I looked right, saw that he was there, and didn't merge. So how am I the bad guy? I don't get it. Maybe he thought I was going over in his lane and I scared him a little bit. I think that's what it was. Okay, like gave him a start, startled him. Yeah, he was very adamant about telling me to fuck you. I'm gonna go back and review the footage for sure, and I'm gonna post it up no matter what. And in the comments, I'm gonna apologize if I made a mistake. And in the end, I even gave the guy a thumbs up, like, all right, man, you have a good day. He obviously felt very strongly about it. And he had a pretty sweet beard, you know, so I don't want to give him too much shit. Us bearded folks gotta stick together. We're the true Vikings of the world. Anyway. It takes a lot for me to want to, like, flip somebody off. It takes somebody, like, purposefully, like, trying to fuck me over. Like, even if somebody makes a mistake, like, they don't see me. I get it, you know, we all make mistakes sometimes. But the fuck you should be reserved for people that actually fuck you over. That's how I would use it. Like, if I'm driving and somebody, like, cuts in front of me, puts me at a little bit of risk. I don't like that. So that deserves like a fuck you. Like if they do it in a dangerous way, you know? Not if there's like ample space and they signal and all that stuff, but anyway. Makes me wonder, that's all. The viewers out there, what's an appropriate time to say fuck you to somebody? Give them the finger. When do you do it? My criteria, again, I'm just gonna go over it. If somebody purposefully does something to mess with you, so somebody that like cuts in front of you in traffic, cuts you off, somebody that's being like overly aggressive and they put you at risk. Somebody that litters, okay, I'll give them a fuck you. There's like a piece of trash that like comes out of somebody's car. That's a good fuck you reason. Those of you that care to watch the vloggy vlog, as my friend would say. When do you tell somebody fuck you? When you're driving? When do you give them the finger?